name is Shintaro Miyazaki, and I am currently a tenured senior researcher at the Critical Media Lab Basel, Institute of Experimental Design and Media Cultures, Academy of Art and Design, Northwestern Switzerland. In this video abstract, I will talk about Take Back the Algorithms, a media series of Commonistic Affordance, an article which came out in August 2019 based on ideas I first presented in June 2018 at a symposium about rethinking affordance in Stuttgart, Germany. Since the term affordance has been appropriated by the field of human-computer interaction and especially by a sort of design approach which is driving towards optimization, trickery and revenue generation, with this article and by adding the adjective commonistic, I tried to reframe the term and gave it a more community-oriented, non-capitalistic meaning. I did this firstly by referring to commoning as an evolving keyword in the context of alternative anti-capitalistic forms of living and sharing, and secondly by reinterpreting affordance simply as an offering to make affordable. And in this article I reflect a bit about the implications of all this in context of algorithm-driven systems of daily usage in our digital age. Communities pursuing the self-organized sharing and processing of resources such as energy, knowledge, data or material goods, etc. are often called commonist, as they are dealing with commons, and while what they are doing together is accordingly called commoning. So commonistic affordance therefore is about making things affordable, meaning accessible but also understandable and usable for the self-determined and shared transformation of our own environment. Commonistic affordance, furthermore, is also about environmentality, our awareness of something that commonly remains unnoticed. Making an algorithmic system or environment affordable in this sense means not to regard it as a closed black box, but instead to learn or to try to learn about its inner workings by connecting it with a sort of community of many experimenters. An act I also call increasing solidarity. What this exactly means you can read more in the article, which exemplifies all this through the application field of machine vision and more concretely face recognition. And since this is not enough, it is planned also to conduct case studies with other fields of application such as voice recognition, and also to finally frame this article within a bigger framework, I place it as a first step for a critical media series of computing and coding as a form of micro-political empowerment.